Welcome to part 74 of Daily English. Today's situation. School and work, talking to coworkers. Good morning, everyone. Example. Good morning, everyone. How's your day going? Nice to work with you. Example. It's nice to work with you on this project. Can you help me with this task? Example. Can you help me with this task for a minute? I'll finish it today. Example. I'll finish it today before I leave. Let's have lunch together. Example. Let's have lunch together after the meeting. The meeting starts at 2. Example. The meeting starts at 2 in the afternoon. Great job. Example. Great job on the presentation. Thank you for your support. Example. Thank you for your support today. See you tomorrow. Example. See you tomorrow at the office. Mini conversation. Coworker A, good morning. Nice to work with you. Coworker B, nice to work with you too. Can you help me with this task? Coworker A, sure. I'll help you now. Coworker B, thank you for your support. Let's have lunch together later. Coworker A, sounds good. See you then. Daily tip. Friendly communication makes the workplace more enjoyable. Greeting your coworkers, offering help, and saying thank you are simple ways to build good relationships at work. Speaking challenge. Imagine it's your first day at a new job. Greet your coworkers, introduce yourself, ask for help with a task, thank them for their support, and invite them to have lunch with you using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 75. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.